In this video, I will guide you on how to turn on voice typing on Samsung keyboard. The first thing you want to do is open up any app that requires a keyboard. Now you want to tap on this gear icon right here, or you can simply open up your settings. Then scroll down and go to General Management. Now find the option of Samsung keyboard settings, select that, and it should take you to the same page. Now you want to scroll down a bit and find the option of voice input, select that. Now make sure that you select either Samsung voice input or Google voice typing. Select whichever option you want. Now you can also enable use side button for voice input if you want that. Once that is done, now go ahead and launch open any app that requires a keyboard. Now you should be able to find the voice input icon at the bottom. Go ahead and select that. Now you can simply start talking and then whatever you talk is going to be typed over here. So in this way, you can easily turn on voice typing on Samsung keyboard. If you found this video useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.